Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I don't know if it's the beginning of these big companies seeing maybe a little panic mode going on, but we had yesterday Microsoft that said that it's time for that new PC, that we're in the Windows 11 PC era in 2025. And AI, Copilot plus AI, that's the way to go. Copilot plus PCs, and so on with AI and recall and all of that. And we've got today more companies pushing towards that. Of course, AMD, Intel, and Dell also showing up its new line of PCs that we did talk yesterday about the fact that they have changed the branding. Now, today it's the turn of Intel and AMD to say, hey, wow, now it's the time to buy that new PC. We've got some really amazing stuff for you. And the push is real, and the push is very strong on a lot of these companies. And what is very interesting is I have the impression that all of these companies together are feeling the heat. The main reason they're talking about moving on is they're complaining that Windows 10 is going to end support this year. And they don't really care about, users still on Windows 10 that are so high in number. And I think that is actually a major problem for them. They are trying to push new hardware in a world where PC sales were not that strong, and they're not predicted to be as strong as they should have been when you think about the fact that you're at the end of support. So this is really interesting because I think all of these companies, and of course a lot of them are partnered with Microsoft, pushing Windows 11 and AI, and they're maybe in a slight panic mode right now. They are actually understanding that, well, people aren't really changing their PC as fast as they want. And once again, we talk about all the e-waste, we talk about all the changes, and the fact that Windows 10 does the job for everybody, or for the most people anyways. So it's, this, of course, is Consumer Electronics Show that's going on. Of course, they're pushing all sorts of new technologies, saying everything's better. But I don't know. I think I'm starting to feel a slight panic among all of these companies. What do you guys think? Do you think that they are starting to see that 2025 might not turn out to be the way they want? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.